in reference to hair loss, we all want to stop additional hair loss, meaning we surely do not want any additional hair loss. The problem is there's many methods in the industry that add more hair or conceal the thinness, meaning those of powders, but they all cause additional hair loss. They work, they give us more hair, or they hide the hair loss, but they cause additional hair loss. We want to stop additional hair loss. One way of doing that is to not use anything that's going to cause or speed up additional hair loss. I'm sure you agree. Another way is to use a revolutionary method using the microstrand technology, which is this. You might have seen it before. One human hair at a time is added onto this microstrand, which then becomes this, the finished product. Now I want you to take a close look. This is the actual finished product. I want you to notice if I brush or comb it or move it or split it, what do you see? You really don't see anything. So what does this mean? This means if you add hair to make your hair fuller using the microstrand technology, you would have stopped additional hair loss. Why? Because common sense tells us that your scalp will breathe, that your hair will come through this, and you'll be able to use all of your existing hair. Not cover it like any other method. Covering is smothering. Covering causes additional hair loss. All right? Hair extensions, even though they're in sections, they cause additional hair loss. We want to stop additional hair loss. We don't want any more hair loss, logically. So the microstrand technology logically will allow your hair to breathe. Your hair comes through this. It'll logically allow your scalp to breathe. Common sense tells us that you're going to have full access to your scalp, okay, while having more hair. So how do we stop additional hair loss? Two ways. Do not use anything that's going to speed up hair loss. Don't use anything that's going to help you in one area and cause additional hair loss, a side effect in another area. Don't do that. Either stop using something else and try to treat your hair, or if you're not happy with that, then add the microstrand technology and find out how this will make your scalp breathe and use all your own hair. Thank you. The solution now is the microstrand invention. One human hair at a time is fed onto these microstrands that becomes this, the finished product. When these are custom made and blended in between your own hair, they disappear. You're using all of your existing hair, and all of your hair is staying safe and healthy. The way to find out more detail is to schedule a free video demo. A free video demo will be where we can see you and you can see us, and we'll be able to give you options on how you can make your hair fuller while keeping it safe and healthy. All you have to do is fill out the form below or schedule your own free video demo. So, all you have to do is fill out the form below or just schedule your own free video demo. There's a calendar below. Pick the day and time of your selection, and then we will confirm this appointment for your free video demo.